Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying software and simple hardware causes. First, make sure Chrome OS is fully updated. Updates often include touch drivers. Once done, reboot to clear transient software faults. While it restarts, remove any screen protector or case that might press the bezel, then gently clean the screen with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl wipe. These fast steps eliminate the most common issues, and they prepare the Chromebook for deeper troubleshooting if touch still misbehaves. Next, you'll target software controls that govern the touchscreen. Open Crash with Ctrl-Alt-T and run input diagnostic commands to see if the touch controller responds. This tells you whether the issue is driver level. If diagnostics show problems, back up your data and perform a power wash to reset Chrome OS, which replaces corrupted drivers. After power wash, test touch before reinstalling apps. This approach isolates driver faults from hardware defects, so you know whether to continue. Finish with hardware-level resets and escalation. Do a hardware reset by powering off, then holding Refresh plus Power for about 10 seconds. This reinitializes the embedded controller and often restores touch. If that fails and you're comfortable, only then consider firmware or developer options, because they can fix low-level problems but carry risk. Make sure to document behavior and contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair shop if touch remains unresponsive. They can confirm if the digitizer needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.